case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
California's Court of Appeal was entangled in a fascinating real estate dispute in 1991, known as Grappo vs. Coventry Financial Corp. The case revolved around the intricate issue of whether funds given to a spouse during a marriage for property enhancements, without any formal agreement, could be claimed as a community property interest or an equitable lien. At the heart of the lawsuit was Michael Grappo, who disputed a judgment that dismissed his claim of community property interest and equitable lien on a Nevada property. The property was held by his estranged wife, Tillie Grappo, as her separate asset prior to their separation in 1979. Despite having bankrolled the property's construction with no formal contracts involved, Michael's grasp for a reduction in his alimony exposure fell short. The trial court upheld its denial, asserting that the money was essentially a gift, leaving Michael with no legitimate grounds for his claim. Dissatisfied with the court's decision, Michael appealed, citing a faulty bifurcation of trial issues. Yet this argument would prove fruitless. Their union started on traditionally ordinary terms until their separation 5 years later in 1979. Michael, a retired IRS employee involved in real estate investments, was aware that Tillie had purchased the Nevada property through a bank loan in 1977. This real estate, which became Tillie's separate property, drove a physical wedge between them following the separation. Tillie relocated to Nevada, while Michael stayed in California. Though Michael filed for divorce in 1983, he never pursued it. The court's ruling ultimately dashed Michael's hopes of any claim. The judges disclosed that the property solely belonged to Tillie, with Michael having no community property interest. Consequently, Michael's attempt to claim an equitable interest was rightfully dismissed. With this, Michael's journey in court hit a dead end. His petitions for both a rehearing and Supreme Court review were firmly rejected.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.